Hi, Christina Danforth here with HR Jetpack. I just received my 2023 SHRM Learning System books, and I'm excited to do this year's unboxing. But first, I want to answer a question I've been getting a lot this week. What do I get when I sign up for the SHRM Certification Exam Open Prep Program with HR Jetpack? When you prepare for your SHRM-CP or SHRM-SCP exam with HR Jetpack, you're registering for more than just one course. You're enrolling into a full-blown open program with the structure, guidance, and flexibility you need to pass your exam. What's the difference between a prep course and our open prep program? I'll get to that in a minute. But first, let's start with the official unboxing. After enrolling in our program, you receive a package just like this, weighing approximately 8 pounds. Let's unbox. Let's take a quick look at each of the books you'll be using throughout the program. First, we have the HR Competencies book. The SHRM certification exam is based on the SHRM body of applied skills and knowledge. The 9 behavioral competencies are referenced throughout the SHRM Learning System. Then we move on to the People textbook, focusing on various topics like HR strategy, talent acquisition, and total rewards. Next, the Organization textbook with topics like the structure of the HR function and workforce management. And finally, the Workplace textbook with topics like corporate social responsibility and risk management. Now, this is what you get in the mail, but what do you get in this program? A lot. First, you receive access to all our live instructor-led training available on our schedule. This means you can join any of our classes at any time. During these classes, our instructors walk you through the material, highlight concepts and theories, go over practice questions, and provide overall guidance to pass your exam. Notice each of the modules are listed on the textbooks. This is how the program is essentially structured. During the live, online, instructor-led class, you'll be reviewing these topics. We work with experienced HR professionals who have already earned their SHRM-SCP. Our instructors will give you a high-level overview of the content and walk you through the material. Plus, we record every session, so if you miss a class or want to re-watch a class, you can easily do this at your convenience. At the end of your program, you can continue to review any and all of the class recordings over and over again. Access to the online SHRM Learning System is also included in the program. This incredible resource is also organized by these modules with quizzes, videos, flashcards, test-taking tips, and most importantly, 2,700 plus multiple choice questions to help you prepare for the exam. You also receive a digital version of the textbooks if you prefer to read the material digitally. And here's the best part. This program includes practice exams with questions that have previously been on actual SHRM certification exams. This is the closest thing you'll ever get to the real exam. You won't find this in any other system. We've also added several exclusives you won't find in any other program, including an extra timed practice exam in your HR Jetpack account meant to help you check your progress, a bonus self-paced course that takes the confusion out of the SHRM Basque. It's approximately 3 hours and is perfect for anyone who is just starting their SHRM certification journey. It's a fantastic way to start the program. The exclusive elimination consideration technique. This self-paced course provides in-depth guidance on solving the #1 issue test takers struggle with. You will receive access to approximately 5 hours of pre-recorded sessions that show you how best to answer situational judgment questions. Situational judgment questions are the most difficult type of question on the exam, and it's where most of you will struggle. Many of our students have said this part of the program gave them the confidence they needed to pass their exam. And you will have exclusive access to the online community full of HR professionals like you who are working hard to earn their SHRM certification. A number of our members have already passed and still provide feedback and support to those members who are preparing for their exam. In this online community, we post exam questions, study tips, and test-taking advice. Many of our students say the online community is their favorite part of the program. HR Jetpack was rated the #1 SHRM education partner by SHRM last year. And I believe it's because we not only built our open program around the best resources and instructors, but also, more importantly, we redesigned the entire program around the needs of actual HR professionals, many who need more than just a one-time class. This program provides you with the structure, guidance, and flexibility you need to pass your SHRM-CP and SHRM-SCP exams. There's no need to do this on your own. It's time for you to put on your HR Jetpack and join a community 100% focused on getting you SHRM certified.